Hi, welcome to Growbal. Growbal is your gateway to a world of business opportunities, connecting you with partners and clients globally. Let's get started on this journey to expand your business horizons. Follow along as we show you how to set up your account and unlock the full potential of Growbal. Click on the Sign Up button at the top right corner of the page. You have different options to sign up, whether you are an individual or corporate. You can sign up as an investor or agent. For this tutorial, we will start with a corporate agent. Click on Corporate under the Agent section. Click on Create your account on Growbal. Fill out the form with your details, including company, contact info, verification data, and services. Provide your phone number, email, and set your password. Upload your trade license. Ensure the picture is high quality, without any glare, and all corners are visible. And fill out the expiry date of your trade license correctly. Select the category and subcategory of the services you are providing. After filling out the form, click on the Save and Continue button. Once your account has been verified by email, click on the Login button. Provide your email and password, then click on Login. Click on your profile icon to see how your profile looks to the public on Growbal. On Inquiries tab, check your client's messages. On Offers Management tab, you can view previous offers and add new offers for your clients. Click on the Add Offers tab. Here, you can list a new offer by entering the title, short description, selecting the offer start date and end date, and choosing the offer type from the provided options. Then, click on Save to add the offer. For access to a complete set of features and exclusive advertising opportunities, sign up for a paid plan today. Elevate your business, reach a wider audience, and take advantage of all the tools designed to help you succeed. Don't miss out on the chance to grow your network and maximize your impact. Join our community of thriving businesses and start your journey to success with Growbal. If you have any queries, don't hesitate to reach out to us at hi@growbal.net. Have a nice day. Thank you.